You can hear them outdoors once again. The Blue Angels working on their stuff for the big show this weekend at the Fargo Air Show. For now, it's hot. It's very humid in the FM area. And let's get right to the business of severe weather. We have one severe thunderstorm warning. It's in northern Beltrami County over the upper Red Lake area. The Ponema area seeing some of that hail moving in as we speak. Notice the abundant lightning with this particular cell and compare it to the rest around it, where they're not producing nearly as much lightning. So this one's standing out right now. Now it's a slow mover. It's only moving 15 miles per hour to the east-southeast. So there's going to be some beneficial rain out of this for many areas, but just near the Ponema area, basically on the southern shores of the upper Red Lake is where this is hitting. So if you have a camper or campground out in that area, it is working its way right along that shore. You can see it right there. Now that storm system again looks to at this time be weakening just a pinch. Now the bright blue colors you see here, hail in excess of 1 inch in diameter. That is now fading a bit, but this storm pulsing and a lot of lightning with it. So we're going to continue to watch it. If you're in the path of this one, seek shelter in an interior room. It's going to continue along this path there, right along that shore between the upper and lower Red Lake area. Also tracking a storm that's not as strong, a little bit of lightning. It's just north of you in the Red Lake Falls area heading towards you and those folks in Plummer. The rest of the area fairly quiet. Now, here's the setup. Cold front out to the west is going to bring cooler and drier air into the area. It's going to be refreshing, but right now we're focused on this area for the heat and humidity causing those storms to fire a little earlier than anticipated. Thunderstorms that are firing, cooling things off in Thief River Falls to 77 degrees, but we have mid-90s in Grand Forks, mid-90s in Fargo and Roseau as well. Those stretching across a large portion of the area, but that rain doing some work on bringing a little relief to the heat. The areas you see in yellow are a level 2 on a 5-level scale for risk for severe weather. What that means is a few storms may become severe tonight. And then we have to keep our eyes on what the concerns are. And we're concerned about hail up to around 2 inches in diameter. We're also concerned about straight line winds exceeding 80 miles per hour from these storms as they work their way off to the east. Now, locally heavy rain, as you know, will be beneficial. It may come fast enough, though, to cause some localized flooding. Be careful of that. First alert weather day today. Now a look outdoors. Currently out at Hector International. It's hot and it's very humid. You could just not shake off the air. Sticky, sticky. In fact, with the 71-degree dew point and humidity's near 50%, 96 on the thermometer, it feels like 104. You need to remember how to stay cool. Check that back seat for kids, for puppies. I'll tell you what, it's super hot out there where we're not getting rain. Here's the forecast. Hour by hour forecast shows afternoon thunderstorms forming. It's doing a good job there. We're not seeing any of this yet, but the potential is there for storms to fire in parts of northwest of the valley. Now, as we go through the late night hours, our models are advertising a few thunderstorms here possible in the southern valley, making their way through, and then maybe even during the overnight hours, a chance for some in the south, as the chance is greatest up north here in the early evening hours through about 10 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, you're going to notice a difference in the air with northwest winds punching drier area, and it won't be quite as sticky outside, but it will be warm. Now, we're going to saw a few degrees off. We'll be 5 degrees cooler in many locations for the afternoon. You will have some wind to contend with for your outdoor plans. No matter where they may be at the Fargo Air Show, it will be, once again, a warm one, but we shouldn't have clouds or storms to contend with. Sunflowers aplenty out there in Gary. Kim, thanks for this beautiful shot there. Your planning forecast looks like this. Big air show in the Fargo area this weekend. We'll have 93 sizzling degrees, so remember to stay hydrated as we go into next week. The peak of the heat wave for us with this round will be Monday and Tuesday, near 100 degrees in the FM area. Then spotty showers and storms and north winds return, and we could see a return of some smoke both this weekend in places at times. But again, I feel like Wednesday through Friday, some of us in the valley will struggle with that once again.
Wow.
We're
getting hit with a lot right now, Hutch.
Yeah, and I hear the Blue Angels.
I know. There's so much going on right now. All right. Thanks, Hutch. Yeah.